Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change UAE currency symbol in WooCommerce WordPress to AED. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see UAE currency symbol and we are going to change it to AED. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, then you see code per view. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see currency symbol we are going to display in shop in whole WooCommerce AED, so you can add your currency symbol, and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see currency symbol change to AED. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.